Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Gala price prediction and Gala news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Gala in 2022. Gala Games aims to set a new direction for the gaming industry by giving players back control over their games. The mission of Gala Games is to create blockchain games that you actually want to play. The project plans to bring creative thinking back to games and give players control over games and in-game assets using blockchain technology. Players can own non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and influence the governance of games in the Gala Games ecosystem. The Founders Nodes voting mechanism allows players to influence which games Gala should develop and which games should receive funding. In addition to buying NFTs for certain games, Gala Games also uses Gala, its own utility token. So far, Gala Games has released one finished game, Town Star, and an NFT collectible series, Vox. Since launching in 2019, Gala Games has grown to 1.3 million monthly active users and sold 26,000 NFTs, the most expensive of which was valued at $3 million. In the aftermath of the Russian currency crash that started with Moscow's February 24 military attack on Kyiv. But BTC trading at around United States dollars 43,529 at the same time, per CoinMarketCap data. This should mean that BTC1 should be available for around Rub 4.21 meters. This said, such a deal would be far from happening at virtually any peer-to-peer, P2P, marketplaces or crypto exchanges that are widely used in Russia. At Prosocash, BTC1 was priced at some Rub 6.01 meters, a whopping 42.8% premium over the crypto's price in dollars. For Russian crypto exchange NiceChange, terms for RUB holders were hardly more favorable, with BTC1 priced at about 7.62 meters. This translated into an 81% premium. A slightly better deal could be found on another Russian crypto exchange Baxman, where BTC1 would cost those willing to exchange their Russian fiat into the crypto some RUB 5.22 meters, a 24% premium over Bitcoin's price in United States dollars. Another crypto exchange that predominantly addresses its services to Russian-speaking crypto buyers, Grand Exchange, prices BTC1 between the two above-mentioned exchanges, at Rub 6.43 meters. This means that those willing to escape the sinking ruble in crypto's favor must accept a premium of 52.7% compared to what they could buy with dollars. This situation is developing as we are yet to see the full effect of the sanctions imposed on Russia. For back on death row. For the NFT portion of the release, he partnered with Gala Games, a blockchain gaming company. Through the Gala Music Store, people can buy a version that has 3 bonus tracks and goes for $5K. What's the catch? Well, for $5K you get NFTs for all of the songs. In a press release, Snoop Dogg said, "If anything is constant, it's that the music industry will always be changing. Blockchain tech has the power to change everything again and tip the table in favor of the artists and the fans, and we're going to be right at the front of the pack with this Gala Music deal." So, to summarize, Snoop Dogg bought the Death Row Records brand and released an album titled Back on Death Row, just before performing on the biggest stage around, the Super Bowl. What a businessman. Maybe he's just the person to successfully mix death row and the metaverse. Volatility indicator shows the VI lines avoiding a bullish reversal crossover and sustaining the bearish spread. Hence, the possibility of a price surge above the resistance trendline increases. The negative trend in the EMAs grows, which provides a constant resistance to keep the bullish growth in check. However, the breakout of the 20-day EMA resistance level 28 cents and 36 cent support level $0.218 and $0.178. So next important news about Mana price teases wedge pattern breakout is 28 cents next. On Wednesday, the DECENTRALAND Mana price turned green, displaying a 3.66% intraday. The bullish candle retests the resistance trendline of the falling wedge pattern, attempting a bullish breakout. However, the buyers would face multiple resistance on its path, trying to limit the potential rally. The declining 20-day EMA could soon nosedive below the 200-day EMA. Mana price is poised to break out of the wedge formation. The 24-hour trading volume in the Decentraland token is $477 million, indicating an 82.5% gain. The DECENTRALAND Mana price showcased a slow and steady downfall within the falling wedge pattern. The correction phase started from the $3.5 level and has discounted the altcoin by 37%, hitting the $2.2 support. This reversal pattern could kickstart a recovery rally once the price gives a genuine breakout from the overhead resistance. As price action narrows inside the wedge, we are likely to see a breakout soon. However, the technical chart shows the buyers need to overcome a confluence of resistance levels, such as the descending trendline, 20 and 200 EMA. If they succeed, the bullish rally will hit a 22% high resistance of $2.88, followed by the $3.5. The coin holders are exposed to a bearish breakdown until the pattern is intact, indicating a 22% downside risk. Technical indicator: the mono price has recently nosedived below the 200-day EMA, indicating a bearish tendency. Moreover, a potential negative crossover among the 20 and 200 EMA could bolster a bearish fallout. The relative strength index slope travels a sluggish rally below the neutral zone, maintaining negative sentiment among traders. Resistance level: $2.5 and $2.88. Support level: $2.22 and $1.7. The altcoin plunged by 22%, hitting a past resistance level of $0.214 mark. On February 24, the coin chart displayed a long tail rejection candle at this support, indicating intense buying pressure from below. The following rally pumped the altcoin to the $0.272 mark, where the evening star candle rejection suggested the support is flipped to resistance. The MACD indicators show the fast and signal lines have recently entered the negative territory. However, the faded red bars on the histogram chart indicate a slight weakness in the bearish momentum. The Gala price turned down from the $0.272 resistance, registering a fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Gala rate forecast 2026. The current Gala price range may be of interest to many traders, and therefore Gala could reach $1.32 by 2026, with significant cooperation with financial institutions, if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $1.10 for 2026, it could beat the last price trend and reach new highs. The bet slogan may vary as the crypto market may see another bull run on its way to 2026. Gala course prediction 2027. The cost of Gala will rise, thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2027 is bullish. Gala is expected to reach a maximum rate of $1.83 by the end of 2027, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of Gala will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of Gala will be between $1.52 and $1.58 expected in 2027 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of Gala ranges from $1.52 to $1.83 for 2027. Gala rate prediction 2028. An impeccable approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this forecasting platform, Gala will remain at the current level for a very long time. By 2028, Gala is expected to peak at $2.63. The minimum bet could rise to $2.14 if the market turns bullish. Gala course prediction 2029. In 2029, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of Gala will skyrocket. The maximum trading price could reach $3.70 in 2029. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $3.21, with a maximum price of $3.70 for 2029. Gala price forecast 2030. For a long-term forecast of the Gala price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive